If this is your first time here, welcome. I am Simply Marvelous. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to the gang. This is the continuation of part 1. I just did this review about 2 units from, please excuse me if I'm butchering this company's name. She sold Omni hair. I have a unit, and the name of this unit is Queen Braided Wig. And this unit here is Anita, and you will see her in the link. So we are going to take this one off and what Miss Queen Braid is about. I had not taken her out. Can you start what the ends look like? I'm wild. Look at that. They had your baby hairs, adjustable band, what she looks like inside. You have that mesh in the back. Cold hair, cold hair, cold in the back. This won't fit my head. It's too tight from the last one. So take this one off. Oh, goodness, this is absolutely gorgeous. This is beautiful. Okay, let's cut the lace. This is what she looks like. And I had wraps with that. Poof. That's their thing. 60s baby hairs. Amazon. Could have deal without the baby hairs. I'm not good for baby hairs. This side ain't gonna be like that side. He's like, she wig. Yeah, you can disregard this right here, guys. This is the end of the video. I lost my earring. But let me turn around so you guys can see what she looks like. Color that thing. I just will do a lot with this wig. I don't know, that's shit. Wow. All right, guys. Well, tell me, guys, what do you guys think? This is the end of the video. I like her. I'll buy again. I did forget to tell you guys that this, the 2 weeks that came, Miss Anita and Miss Queen Braided Wig, this one here, and they did come in this box here from France. They were affordable, so I will make sure I have the link to these babies, or you can guys go purchase them. And these were not sponsored. So, tell me, guys, what do you guys think? Would you buy? Let's talk about it in the comments. Till next time, guys, I thank you guys so much for supporting my channel and watching my videos. Tune in for the next video. Like, comment, share. Share the videos. It's free. Thank you. Peace.